this video, I want to show you how to use Canva text to image generator tool. This AI tool helps you to generate images while working with Canva using your mobile phone or using computer. So quickly go over to your apps. Here in your apps, you will see Del-E. Del-E is AI image generator by OpenAI. You're going to see Imagine AI image generator by Google. Then you will see Mojo AI. Let's get Mojo AI. You can search for text to image. So you can see Mojo AI. Mojo AI, Imagine, and Del-E are the three essential text to image tools that Canva has, and you can make use of it to generate AI images. So to get started, you can select anyone. When you select Del-E, you'll be asked to use it in existing design or in a new design. If you don't want to make use of this from the app section, you can open your project, open a new project or an existing project. So when you open your project, you go to Elements. Under Elements, where you normally search for pictures, graphics, or shapes you want to use in your design, you now see AI image generator. You click on it. When you click on it, you now enter your prompt. Let me say photo of Bill Gates playing tennis. So assuming I want to generate this photo, I will click on generate image. You allow it to load. Can you see? So I can select anyone I want. Let's use this. Can you see? Now I have this image here. So this is how you can generate images using AI with Canva. So instead of going to this text to image generator tools to generate your image and then import it back to Canva, you can just generate the image you want to use directly from Canva and make use of it. Thank you once again, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and drop a comment.